Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pipedrive for faster deal stages management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Pipedrive website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Pipedrive homepage. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button. Enter your email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Click on the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Pipedrive dashboard. To manage your deal stages, locate the Deals tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Deals tab to view your current deals. To organize and view stages more efficiently, choose a pipeline from the drop-down menu if applicable. Review your deal stages displayed in the main section of the screen. To edit a deal, click on its title to open the deal details. Make any necessary changes to the deal information or stage. After making changes, remember to save your updates. To move a deal to a different stage, simply drag and drop it into the desired column. This method allows for quick adjustments and updates to your deal management process. Familiarize yourself with features like filters and search to streamline your workflow further. Utilize the Activities section to keep track of tasks and reminders related to your deals. For additional support, consider accessing the Help Center or support resources if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.